Way out here.
Gotta do a shot.
3, 2, 1.
Well, hold up.
Not a single drop spilled.
Go down easy.
They go down easy, but they come up real hard. Your stomach foams up instantly, dude.
Mine's empty, bro.
I hate doing truly shotguns. They're awful.
Not a single drop spilled. Highly impressive.
3, 2, 1.
This is very
It's gonna hit me. It's gonna hit me in the head.
Anticlimactic.
uneventful.
Terrible. Oh, Dave.
We don't own this technically. This is not ours.
Yeah, just ruined shit.
Why do I always break shit when I come with you guys?
Construction is fun.
It is.
Whoa! Power line!
Oh, that was bad.
What?
Oh, let's see his whole skeleton as well. Oh, you're not hungry? Ball.
I'm a bit hungry.
I'm kind of fucking hungry, to be honest.
I texted Jake.
Jesus Christ!
Jesus Christ! Patrick!
You got a little warning?
I did. I said, here, watch this.
That's the first one, bro.
First needs to try to take my head off of the light.
We had even wait, should I?
Yeah.
Suck a dick. What is that supposed to be?
Okay, bend over.
Me bend over?
Here's the lamp.
Okay, there's the lamp.
We're still figuring shit out, but we have a nice L couch. We need a little repair this, whatever. Got a TV.
Yep.
We got a rolling tray.
Yep.
We got beer.
Yep.
We have internet. You want the Wi-Fi password?
I mean, I'm good.
Cap Trap 300.
No, it's 1, 2, 3.
Oh, nice.
So this is the couch.
That is a couch.
We do have a futon if anyone wants to sit in that.
You could sit on it.
You could, but no, don't like that. It's lame. All right, upstairs.
All
Can I
right.
go in your room? Or you give any dildos around?
Huh?
Can I go in your room?
Sure, why not?
All right, we're touring, so we have to. Here are the stairs. Very nice carpeted.
That helmet's kind of bitch, and whoever's that is.
That's my helmet.
I like that.
That's my bike helmet. I crashed with it, so it's technically ruined. You go up the stairs. This is a little loose. Be careful.
It
Ooh.
smells like old house.
You turn the light off, you die. Fall down the stairs.
Yeah.
Come up here. This is my room. A little messy because there's some moving shit in, but not too bad.
No, it's not bad. I like your racing setup.
Yeah, racing sim is the pride and joy of the house. You have the very, very thin dividing doors between me and Nathan's room, so you can hear literally everything through the walls. You want to test it in here? Y'all stay in here. I'm gonna close this door. Hey guys, how you doing?
All right, Patrick. Pants off.
Very, very thin.
I feel uncomfortable.
All right, Patrick. Take your pants off.
Y'all can use that for sex if you really want to.
No, I'm actually straight. I'm good.
Are you? You
Ah!
want to see my butt plug? I'm fucking kidding.
I mean,
You mean your bullpup rifle?
Oh no, I meant butt plug, but
No, that's like a.
I don't actually have one.
oh,
It's a joke.
God, guys.
Ooh. Is it a high? Just these latches alone make me think that there was hate crimes committed in this basement.
There are these jars of used fuses up here that like the previous owner like stuck to the ceiling that are not
white.
not
No,
not
yeah, it was not white people shit.
not.
This is absolute white.
No, go in there. Go in there. It's a cool room.
No.
Yeah, get in there.
Listen, buddy.
Oh, it's actually a decent room, except for the floor leaking.
What? No, my foot's right here. I know what you're up to.
Get in the hole.
My cheeks will not allow this.
Get in the hole.
I have.
Wait, you think that room's bad? Check this one out.
Dude, they're actually like.
That's
an exhaust vent?
That's a regular storage room. This one's the weird one.
What the fuck is this? Bro, this smells like.
It's an old house, dude. It's
Smells like
100 years
racism.
old.
I would love to see murder room number 2.
This is the murder room. If you ever want to die, we got you. It's a very dark, dingy dungeon.
Oh my
Here,
fucking
walk in.
god.
If you
Walk
want to
in.
lock someone in here, that would be
Right
extremely
there.
Oh, with the code.
Head on in there, guys.
I got a window. You're good.
Get on in there, guys.
I'm going in.
Okay, pull the gas.
Now. See, now you're trifling.
Wait, no, you haven't seen the best part. The literal best part. Don't touch that. It's the yeah.
I was like, yes.
You want to see the best part? Check this out. Caesars.
Someone got angry and punched that.
Caesars. Yeah, take a piss, bro. It's fine. No light for you though. Hey, you think that's even cool? Check this out. It's even cooler. This is even cooler, Steve. Oh, he's actually taking.
There was like a
Yeah, there's water.
this
here.
liquid was yellow.
I think it's spring water. He's actually pissing. Let's look at his top.
Yo, Steezy pee reveal.
We're crawling in my basement.
Of all,
Yo,
that's a big chunk.
Fucking piss up.
oh, there's two of them.
That's a wow.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Wait, check this out. See, you pissed, but you kind of feel a little dirty because you pissed, you know. It's a disgusting thing to do.
Why? What the? Bro, what even is this?
This was the only bathroom.
shoelace.
This was the only bathroom in the house before they renovated it.
If you could,
Yeah.
if you
Let that sink in.
I'm not even gonna lie, like that piss was satisfying, but fuck, bro.
if you were Gollum from the Lord of the Rings, you could like live down here.
What is this?
Fucking. Oh, that's for the washer.
Dave, why does everyone that comes over want to rent out the basement?
No, he hates it. Steve here hates the basement.
I hate the basement.
Don't touch this black thing. It's live.
What?
Dave said it's live.
This is live.
He says it's live.
What the fuck is that thing, dude?
It's an inspection light. Like if this is actually kind of a cool like table setup because you can hang your
Don't
tools and
touch
shit.
it.
But if you use that, it's an inspection light. Like if you're working on like a
Bro,
model.
this was somebody's workshop. For
Yeah,
sure.
if you're building like a model train or something.
I'm inspecting this for real. I'm not touching a live wire.
It's right there.
It's simply unethical.
Yo, you guys want to go through the car wash?
At the cock wash.
I've heard this one's better.
Perchance.
Oh man.
Perchance. Sopes, gorditas, burritos,
Have you get-
tortas.
Have you guys ever been to
Wait,
the?
Todas.
wait, Jake, did you get the drinks?
No.
Jake, what the fuck are you doing? You just left. They probably had your chrome too.
It was only 10:45.
That's a whole biggie bag.
that's
Listen.
big
Drop
bags.
me and Steezers off. You guys go back and get
Yeah.
that shit.
Okay, fine. Go.
Let's do that.
Yes.
Wait, give me,
Break.
Do you want it? El Paro
Once
too?
you get that, come right back.
I don't know, man. I haven't really thought about it.
I'm
well, we're
doing.
here.
I'm doing Mexican. So one of y'all gotta move.
Jamie, if you want Wendy's, we can go back.
Uh,
Well, we are going back.
Where's the door lock?
I'll get a.
Oh, sorry.
There's no
I'll fuck up some Mexican actually.
Fuck it. Come on, Jamie.
So according to Patrick, I've had my shirt on inside out my entire day.
No, literally.
Yeah.
I thought it was a vibe.
He's not capping.
Pizza, Jamie.
Yeah, it's,
Oh no, it's the papaya penetrator.